Tired of chasing down payments and drowning in paperwork? Let's streamline your construction business with Docusign's payment integration. First, log into your Docusign account and navigate to the Payments tab if you don't see it. Ensure your plan includes payment integration. Next, create a new Docusign envelope. Just like you normally would, fill out all the necessary contract details, including scope of work, timelines, and of course, the payment amount. Now, drag and drop the payment request field onto your document where you want the payment information to appear. This is where your client will enter their credit card or bank information. Configure the payment request field by setting the correct payment amount, currency, and payment method options. Make sure it matches the agreed-upon price in your contract. Add your client as a recipient and customize the email subject and message. Clearly state the payment terms and due date in the message. Once your client receives the document, they can review the contract, sign, and then securely enter their payment information directly within Docusign. Docusign processes the payment securely and notifies you and your client of the successful transaction. You'll also receive a record of the payment within Docusign for easy tracking and reconciliation.